In this month of gravy recipes, today I am sharing the last of the 4 recipes of the month. It's a very popular American breakfast, biscuits and gravy. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. The Rosemary Buttermilk Biscuits and the creamy sausage gravy is going to leave you asking for more. For these recipes, you will find the list of ingredients along with links to where I picked mine in the description box below. Knead the dough gently with very soft hands. Dust the rolling pin with flour to avoid the dough from sticking. Biscuits and gravy is a popular breakfast dish in the United States, especially in the South. The dish consists of soft dough biscuits covered in either sawmill or meat gravy made from the drippings of cooked pork sausage, white flour, milk, and often bits of bacon, ground beef, or other meat. It is also considered comfort food in this part of the world. So, that was another quick video taking you step by step through 2 easy and very tasty recipes using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.